Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Catherine, and today I'm going to give you a complete tour of the luxurious Montecristo Villas and Pueblo Bonito Sunset Los Cabos. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the villa itself. This massive space is designed to host up to 8 guests, making it perfect for families or a group of friends. First up, the master bedroom upstairs. The amenities are wonderful. They have Molton Brown products which smell amazing. They're so good. There's plenty of products there for you to use, and you can always ask for more. Gorgeous shower, bathtub. There's a huge closet, and best of all, a private balcony with a jacuzzi, and that view, it's absolutely gorgeous. Every morning we came outside to have our coffee here, and it was just incredibly relaxing. Now downstairs, there's 2 rooms. One has a king size bed, the other room has 2 queen size bed, and they both have access to the outside. They each have their big bathroom, and they have a closet. There's just plenty of storage here, plenty of space. The villa also has 2 living rooms, and for the lower area is this living room which has a pull-out couch, and it has access to the pool. So upstairs is the jacuzzi and a dining area, and down here are the loungers with the pool, it was heated as well, so that's great. And look at this amazing view. This pool was just spectacular. All the family enjoyed it. We had a great time. It was just amazing. There's also a nice laundry area here. And now for the upstairs area. Fully equipped kitchen. It has everything you need. The fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher, you name it. What to me makes this real special is the incredible privacy and those spectacular views that you can see. That is just so fun to see in the morning. Now, here's something really cool. By staying at the Montecristo Villas, you also get full access to the sister properties, Pueblo Bonito, Sunset Beach, Blanco, and Rosé. That means even more dining options, pools, and experience to explore. Something I did forget to record was the small area that there's here in the Montecristo Villas, which is a small community pool for everybody that's staying at the villa. And there's this one restaurant there that you have access for breakfast and lunch, and it's called Shibola. And we particularly did not love it, so it's not of our top experiences here. The breakfast was very good, but this one wasn't like our favorite. So I will be posting a full review of my stay, so make sure you subscribe because that video is coming soon. In the meantime, you can also head over to my Instagram, which is CatDF Travels, where I've been sharing tons of tips and highlight of my stay, and that's something you definitely don't want to miss. So with that, I end my video, and I see you all soon.